and we will think about this again. How do we even further accelerate small businesses, financing, and to women? In the end, I would like to thank the State Bank. They have been very supportive, they keep pushing us, and I would urge you, sir, push us some more. As these participants are pushing us, we will go back and we will see what more we can do. The real potential in this country really is agriculture and SME, and the women in Pakistan are totally awe-inspiring.
I have only listened to the last one, but I'm sure the other 9 were also very inspiring. So let me thank Visa that they brought this She Is Next program here in Pakistan, and that's, let me say with my full sincerity, that such initiatives and such programs are very badly needed in our environment. We need many more such programs, and I'm pretty sure that this first program that we are celebrating today, it will continue and will enlarge the women entrepreneur base in the country, inshallah. My wholehearted congratulations to HBL. HBL, mashallah, it has been at the forefront of a number of initiatives. We say thele wala, chapri wala, or chai wala, or wala. All these people, they should be able to have the access to the financial system through digital means. And this is possible, and this will be possible with the help of all of you, inshallah. So, I will conclude with this word that the central bank is fully committed with working with all the stakeholders, with all the partners to achieve this goal. The ultimate objective is that we must provide.
Keep your applause going, guys. Big moment.